Yeah, g'day. I thought we might do a wee video on the cover tracks. This is one of the cover tracks that we carry. This is a stainless steel cover track. A little foot on the bottom here, and then it comes up and hooks over at the top here. So this particular one you see is a number 5. There are a whole bunch of different numbers, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they all have different heights here and different curves at the top here. So you've got to get the right cover track for the right door. This particular door is a Jason door. Yes, this track, the knob on the top has worn right down. There's no meat there to dress. This is the back half, quite a lot of meat on here. This could be dressed, but this half not. So we have to put the cover track on. And we just screw that down through here and into the sill section. If this ever needs to be replaced in the future, of course you can just undo the screws, take this off and pop a new one on. There is another one that you can buy off the shelf at Bunnings, which is simply this little top knob bit here. It's just a U-shaped section without the little foot on it, but that one you have to glue on. You have to glue it onto the track here. I've seen some where they've, you know, popped up at the back here, or they've popped off at the front there. So that's why we prefer to use this one, which we can screw down. We can also, you know, replace it in the future once they're glued down. They can be problematic to remove. So I'm just going to go ahead and drill a few pilot holes through here that we can put our little screws through, and then I will clean this and put the track in. I just use these little brushes here. I buy these off the shelf at Bunnings. They're called a bevel liner. You can just buy them at the paint department. This one's getting a bit bob to williger. Just start by drilling a pilot hole here. I usually just space the screws about every 400, so I just set my little tape up here at 400 and go one there. One there. Yeah. And of course one at the back. Okay, pilot holes all drilled. We'll just go straight over the top there now. Just like that. Screw this down with little screws. I just use these little screws here. This is a I don't know, 6 gauge by 9 I think it is, but it has a little tip right on the very end there. Is that focusing? Can't see. It's a drill point, so you don't have to drill into the aluminium. That will just go straight through. You start at one end and work your way to the other end. If you start in the middle and then do this one, then this one, you'll end up with a... So you start up one end. This will just drill straight in. One. Work your way along. Just like that. Pallet tracks installed. One smooth sliding door.